Welcome to the show. Let's talk about money. Saving money is a secret superpower. You, yes you, are a financial superhero in training. It starts with that lonely quarter in your jeans pocket. Every penny, nickel, and dime is a tiny seed of future fun. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Those small bits of cash we overlook are the building blocks. From this moment on, every coin you find is a tiny victory. We're not talking about complicated charts or scary spreadsheets. We're turning saving into a game where you are the star player and the grand prize is whatever you want it to be. So grab your spare change, put on your game face, and let's get ready to play. It's time to unlock the secret life of your money. Let's be real. Your paycheck can feel small. You work hard, feel rich for 7 seconds, and then, poof! Rent, bills, groceries. It feels impossible to save like a joke. But here's the secret. You don't need a giant shovel to fill the pool. Saving isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you. Even on a small income, you have power. It's about outsmarting your own spending habits. Think of it like a magic trick. Abracadabra. Look, there's $20 you didn't know you had. The first step is to see where the money is going. For 1 week, just notice. Write it down. Use an app. You'll be shocked. You'll be like, wait, I spent $60 on artisanal toast? Once you see where it's going, you can start making tiny changes, like packing a lunch 1 more day a week, or brewing your coffee at home. That one homemade coffee every day, that's like $5. 5 days a week, that's $25. In a month, that's $100. In a year, that's $1,200. For coffee, that's a vacation. You just paid for a trip to the beach with coffee beans. See? You're a wizard, Harry. You just turned coffee into a plane ticket. Now for the fun part. Let's play a game. I call it the no-buy challenge. You pick one category of stuff you tend to overbuy and just stop. For 1 month. You're not breaking up with online shopping. You're just on a break. It's a cleanse for your wallet. Let's say your weakness is clothes. For 30 days, you just don't buy any new clothes. You shop your closet. You get creative. You might even discover you have great style and don't need all that new stuff. The best part of the no-buy challenge is what happens in your bank account. All that money you have spent, it's still there. You can watch that money pile up. It's so satisfying. It's like beating a level in a video game. You get to the end of the month, look at that extra cash, and you feel like a champion. You've conquered the urge, you've survived, and now you have a nice little pile of treasure to show for it. And you can do this with anything. Books, video games, takeout food, gadgets, pick your poison, then put it on a pause. You'll learn something really important. You can live without it. You might even find you don't miss it that much. The world doesn't end if you don't buy the latest phone accessory. And when the month is over, you can decide if you want to go back to your old habits. Chances are you won't. You'll be a little smarter, a little richer, and a little more in control. Your wallet will thank you. It might even write you a little thank you note. The grocery store. It's a battleground, a jungle of temptation. You go in for milk and bread, and you come out with a cart full of snacks. How does this happen? It's the music, the lighting, the perfectly stacked display of cookies. But we can fight back. We can become supermarket superheroes. Our superpower, a shopping list. A list is your shield. It protects you from the siren song of the snack aisle. Before you go, you make a plan. You know what meals you're going to make. You write it down. And then, you stick to the list. If it's not on the list, it doesn't go in the cart. My friend Tariq calls it perimeter shopping. All the healthy, real food is usually around the outside walls of the store. He avoids the danger zones. It's brilliant. He saves money, he eats healthier, and he gets his steps in. And here's another pro tip. Never, ever, ever go grocery shopping when you're hungry. If you go in there hungry, everything looks delicious. Have a snack before you go. An apple, a handful of nuts, anything. Go in with a full stomach and a clear head. You'll make better choices, you'll stick to your list, and you'll walk out of there a winner. You are the hero your grocery budget deserves. Let's talk about the silent killers of our bank accounts. Subscriptions. They're like little money ninjas. They sneak in, take cash each month, and you don't notice. That streaming service you signed up for to watch one show, still there. That free trial for a meditation app that became not so free, still there. It's time for a subscription audit. This is fun, I promise. Put on some music, make it a party. I call it the Cancel That Subscription Dance Party. Pull up your bank statement and go through it line by line. For every subscription, ask, do I use this? Do I love this? Be honest. If the answer is no, do a little dance and then cancel it. It's like decluttering your finances. A friend of mine found she was spending over $80 a month on things she forgot about. That's almost $1,000 a year. She cancelled them all in one glorious afternoon. So go on, have your own dance party. Find those money ninjas and show them the door. We live in a world where you can buy anything. It's convenient, but expensive. Somewhere along the way, we've forgotten the art of doing it yourself. DIY. It can be fun and save you a ton of money. Start with simple things. Fix that wobbly chair instead of buying a new one. There's a YouTube video for everything these days. You can learn how to fix a leaky faucet or patch a hole in your jeans. Every time you fix something yourself, you're saving money. This goes for food too. Eating out adds up quickly. Try to recreate your favorite restaurant meals at home. It's cheaper, healthier, and a great activity with friends or family. Think about gifts. Instead of buying a gift card, make something. People appreciate the thought and effort more than the price tag. Embrace a little DIY spirit and watch the savings and the fun begin. Let's talk about the joy of watching your savings grow. Get a jar, a big clear glass jar. This is your magical jar of oops, I saved again. Every time you save money, put that cash in the jar. Brewed coffee at home? Put that $5 bill in the jar. Packed your lunch? Put that $10 in the jar. The jar is a physical representation of your awesome decisions. Watching that jar fill up is the best feeling in the world. It's more motivating than just seeing a number on a screen. At first, it's just a few coins and bills, but then it starts to grow. You'll find yourself looking for ways to add to it. Give that jar a name, a goal. This isn't just random money, it's your trip to the beach fund or your new bike fund. It makes those small sacrifices feel worth it, building towards something amazing. Sometimes you need a little more breathing room. This is where the side hustle comes in. It doesn't mean a whole second job, just a fun, easy way to make extra cash. Turn your hobbies or skills into money. Are you great with dogs? Be a dog walker. Super organized. Help people declutter. Have a knack for writing? Do some freelance proofreading. It's about earning extra cash doing something you enjoy. Treat this money differently. It's your fun money or savings accelerator. All the money from your side hustle goes towards your big savings goal. It's like a turbo boost for your savings plan. You have a skill, a talent, a hobby that someone else will find valuable. Find it, monetize it, and watch your savings goals get closer. You've made it. You're a saving superstar. Saving money isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. You've seen how tiny pennies can turn into real prosperity. The journey doesn't end here, it's just beginning. Every day is a new opportunity to make a smart choice. The power is in your hands, it's in your choices. So, let's keep the momentum going. Let's make this a movement. Saving is more fun with others. Share your tips, celebrate your wins, turn it into a friendly competition, build a community around positive financial habits. And now for my final challenge to you, the Save-a-Thon. For the next 30 days, try at least one new saving tip each week. Track your progress. At the end, count up all the money you saved. You will be a certified money-saving champion, ready to take on any financial goal. Now go get 'em.